See Standard 12th Maths Chapter 6 Applications of Vector Algebra XI 6.4 Sum 5. So before start doing the problem, let me give you some introduction. Angle between the two straight lines. Angle between the two straight lines. Let me take the first line as vector r is equal to vector a plus s into vector b, and the another line is vector r is equal to vector c plus t into vector d. See here, a is the position vector of a line passing through a point, but here b vector is the position vector of a parallel vector. Here is a parallel vector and here d is the parallel vector. So suppose let me take the angle between these two vectors as cos theta. So cos theta is equal to modulus of vector b dot vector d, vector b dot vector d. We take only the parallel vector, divided by separate modulus, modulus vector b, modulus vector d. So here b is the parallel vector of the first line and d is the parallel vector of the second line. And suppose the line is given in the Cartesian form, x minus x1 by b1 is equal to y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b3, and second line is x minus x2 by d1 is equal to y minus y2 by d2 and z minus z2 by d3. So this is the Cartesian form of the vector line equation. This is the vector form and this is the Cartesian form. Here x1, y1, z1 are coordinates of the point, but b1, b2, b3 are the coordinates of the parallel vectors. Again here x2, y2 and z2 represent the point, and d1, d2, d3 are the coordinates of the parallel vector. So in that case again we have to take the coordinates of the parallel vector, or we say direction ratios of the parallel vectors. Here cos theta is equal to, formula is b1 d1 plus b2 d2 plus b3 d3 modulus divided by square root of b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square root of d1 square plus d2 square plus d3 square. This is the formula when the lines are given in the Cartesian form. Now let me do the problem. See the fifth sum. First one, find the angle between the following lines. This is vector r, 4i minus j plus t into I plus 2j minus 2k. Vector r is equal to I minus 2j plus 4k plus s into minus I minus 2j plus 2k. Two lines are given. So in order to find the angle between the two lines, we need only the direction ratios, only the parallel vectors. So the parallel vectors are here, the coefficient of some scalars here. First vector, parallel vector is vector b is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k. Then d is equal to, next line parallel vector d is minus I minus 2j plus 2k. So what is the formula? Cos theta is equal to modulus of vector b dot vector d divided by modulus vector b modulus vector d. Just let me substitute, find separately the dot of two vectors. Vector b dot vector d is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k dot minus I minus 2j plus 2k vector. So I dot I is 1. So just multiply the coefficient. 1 minus 1 is minus 1. 2 minus 2 minus 4. Then 2 minus 2 minus plus 2, that again minus 4, that is minus 9. And what is modulus of vector b? This is equal to square root of the coefficient squares, direction ratio, square of the direction ratios. 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 2 square, that is equal to square root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. This is equal to square root of 9. Then modulus d again, the square of the direction ratios of the second line, minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. So square root of minus 1 square minus 2 square plus 2 square, 1 plus 4 plus 4, square root of 9. So substitute in the formula, cos theta is equal to modulus of b dot d. Already we have written the formula, divided by square root of 9 into square root of 9. Modulus of 9 is just 9. Then root 9 you will get 9. So 1. So cos theta is 1. So when do you get the cos value as 1? When theta is equal to 0 degree. So theta is 0 degree. See the next sum. X plus 4 by 3 is equal to y minus 7 by 4 is equal to z plus 5 by 5. This is in Cartesian form. So the denominator terms are the direction ratios of the parallel vectors. So here our parallel vector b is here 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Second line in the vector form they given vector r is equal to 4 vector k plus t into 2i plus j plus k. So here the parallel vector d is equal to 2i plus j plus k vector. So now apply in the formula, cos theta is equal to vector b dot vector d divided. This is modulus vector b modulus vector d. So find b dot d. So here 3i, you can write the steps here, 4j plus 5k dot d is 2i plus j plus k vector. So 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4 plus 5 1s are 5. Just directly multiply the coefficients of the corresponding vector. I coefficient is 2, here 3, 3 2s are 6. J coefficient is 4, here 1 4s are 4. Then here k coefficient is 1, 5 1s are 5. So the answer is here 15. So what is modulus of b vector? So this is b vector, 3 square, 4 square plus 5 square. Root of 3 square is 9. 16, 25. This is square root of 50. Just keep as it is and find square root of d. Modulus d. That is square root of, this is our d vector, 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square coefficients. So square root of 4 plus 1 plus 1. So root 6. Apply in the formula. So cos theta is, here we have written the formula, modulus b dot d. So modulus of 15 divided by root 50 into root 6. So root 15 is just 15 divided by root of, write the factors of this. 50 is, I can write 25 into 2. What about the factors of 6? 2 into 3. So you collect the square root. See, square root of 25 is 5. For 2 2s I take 1, then square root of 3. So here 5 goes here 3 times. So 3 by 2 root 3. So 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 root 3. 1 root 3 gets cancelled. So root 3 by 2. So the value of cos theta is root 3 by 2. When do you get root 3 by 2 cos value? Theta is equal to 60 degree. Or you can write 5 by here. Sorry, not 60, 30 degree. Sorry, 30 degree. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Cos 61 by 2. So, or we can write theta as pi by 6. Pi by 6. Both are same. Third subdivision. See the line, first line is 2x is equal to 3y is equal to minus z. And second line is 6x equal to minus y equal to minus 4z. See, both are in Cartesian form. So, you have to collect the equation in the x minus x1 form divided by the direction ratios. So, you have to remove all the coefficients. Here the coefficient of x is 2, here y is 3 and z is minus 1. So, take LCM for 2, 3, minus 1, you will get LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. And also it is minus 6, you have to take here. So, let me take here 6. So, divide each term by 6. So, 2x by 6 you will get 2 gets cancelled, x by 3 by 6. So, you will get 3 cancelled with 6, y by 2. Then by 6 you will get here this minus you bring it to the denominator. So, x by 3 equal to y by 2 is equal to z by minus 6. So, I am dividing each term by 6. See, the direction ratios are here 3, 2, minus 6. So, this is the coordinates of the parallel vector. Vector b is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 6k. So, this is vector b. And take the second line 6i is equal to minus y is equal to minus 4z. So, this is a coefficient of, LCM of 6 and 4. It is 12. 3, 2. 3 2s are 6, 6. Divide each term by 12. So, in that case by 12 you will get 6 cancel here x by 2. Then y by minus 12 you will get, bring this minus to the denominator. Then z by minus 3. So, here our direction ratios are vector D, parallel vector is 2i minus 12j minus 3k, vector 3k. So, again apply the formula cos theta is equal to modulus vector b dot. Here when the equations are in the Cartesian form, you can apply this formula b1 d1 plus b2 d2 or b3 d3, or you can apply the same formula b dot d, both are same. So, vector b dot vector d divided by vector b modulus vector d, both are same. So, here I find the dot of vector b dot d. So, 3i plus 2j minus 6k dot 2i minus 12j minus 3k. So, multiply the corresponding coefficient. 3 2s are 6 minus 24 plus 18. This is equal to 0. 24 minus 24 0. Modulus vector b is square root of 3 square plus 2 square plus minus 6 square. 3 3s are 9. 4 plus 36. Root of 49. Modulus vector d is square root of 2 square plus minus 12 square plus minus 3 square. This is equal to square root of 4 plus 144 plus 9. So what you will get here? 148 plus 9. Here 157. So substitute in the formula. Cos theta is modulus of vector b dot d is 0 divided by square root of modulus vector b 49 157. This numerator 0, you will get 0. When do you get cos value as 0? Cos theta 0. Theta is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2. See the sixth sum. The vertices of triangle ABC are A is 721, B is 603 and C is 424. Find angle ABC. Actually this is triangle ABC. A coordinate is 721, B is 603 and C is here 424. So where do you have this angle ABC? ABC. It is the angle between the line AB and BC. So angle ABC is the angle between the line AB and BC. AB and BC. See, the coordinates are given. So we have to bring them in the Cartesian form. Cartesian formula is x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So here we need to get only the direction ratios in the denominator term, that is a parallel vector. So in that case it's enough for us to find x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. See the direction ratio of the line AB. Let me take that as vector B, parallel vector, x2 minus x1. Take this is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 is minus 1, that is I, in the I direction. Then 0 minus 2, minus 2j. Then 3 minus 1, 2k. Plus 2k. This is vector B. Then direction ratios of the line BC. Let me take that as the parallel vector D. So BC, x2 minus x1, 4 minus 6, minus 2i. Then 2 minus 0, that is 2j vector. Then 4 minus 3, that is 1k vector. Now write the formula. Cos theta, you have to always write the formula because mark is allotted for you. The formula also, vector D divided by modulus vector B, modulus vector D. So B dot D, what is B dot D? See, directly you can find that 1 2s are 2, then minus minus plus 2 2s are 4, minus 4, then 1 2s are 2. This is equal to 0. Then modulus vector B, root of 1 square minus 2 square plus 2 square. So this is square root of 9. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. Vector D, square root of minus 2 square plus 2 plus 1 square. Again this is square root of 9. apply in the formula. Cos theta is equal to modulus b dot d, just 0, divided by root 9 into root 9. Numerator 0, you will get answer 0. So theta is equal to 0 degree. What is this theta? Angle ABC. This is equal to, when do you get 0 degree, or this is, sorry, cos theta 0, sorry, one more correction here. Theta is equal to pi by 2. Cos 0 is 1, isn't it? So you will get angle ABC is pi by 2. Sorry, here one small correction. Cos theta, when do you get 0 value? Theta is pi by 2, 90 degree. So, theta is angle ABC, that is pi by 2. Thank you.